How to fix KB5050094 spinning cursor in Windows 11 24H2. Hello friends, you might be facing a spinning mouse cursor issue on Windows 11 24H2, specifically after installing KB5050094. KB5050094 is a preview cumulative update for Windows 11 24H2 for January 2025. Thankfully, you can temporarily fix it. The problem will be permanently fixed after Microsoft will address this. Follow the workaround. Click on Start. Select Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Go down. Click on Mouse. Click on Additional Mouse Settings. Select the Pointers tab. Working in background is the root cause of this problem. Click on Browse. Here select arrow extra large cursor. This one. Click on Open. Click on Apply and click on OK. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.